Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let us introduce ourselves first. My name is Bambang Ramadhan.
And my name is Gaby.
So in this video, we like to present our project cost accounting for the MSME's Geprek Arsy. So just let's get started. For the introduction is many MSMEs will estimate production cost rather using a formal cost accounting calculation. This cost inaccurate costing sell price and losing profits. That's why departmentization of costing can help in improving cost accuracy, and in this case we choose Geprek Arsy, a small MSMEs near University of Lampung to identify their costing practice. For the profile of this, our MSMEs that we choose is Geprek RC, established in 2022 with three operating outlets. Their main product is ayam geprek. Their menu and production approximately is 100 to 120 chickens per day. All all outlets are or outlet. The selling price of the geprek is 10,000 rupiah per portion. For the profit is kind of small. It's only 1,000 per portion, approximately. The next is gonna represent by KB.
So for the cost accounting practice, there is some direct cost that is already considered to be calculated, such as the raw materials and also the employee wages, shop rent, and a few indirect costs such as the electricity and LPG gas. And for the rents, for all outlet is supposed to be 15 million rupiah and one outlet of 23 million rupiah. And this is already a great estimation of the costing calculation, but it's still there is some over several overhead costs that is left behind, not recorded, such as the water usage, the equipment depreciation, and also the cleaning supplies and maintenance costs. And this could actually cause the pricing of the product to be underestimated. Next, please. So there is the overhead departmentalization that we actually recommended. That is the production department. For the first one is the mixing department. So the mixing department, we expected to be there is a few activity that we are concluding. There is cutting, cleaning, and seasoning of the chicken, and also mixing the flour with the chicken. And the overhead that can be assigned to this department is electricity, water, cleaning supplies, and depreciations. And the frying department, which is obviously frying the chickens, and with the same the same overhead, but including LPG gas. And there's also packaging department, which is to package the meals and delivering it and servicing it to the customer. And for the Second one is the service department, that is the administration department that will include the purchasing material, all financial activities, and also monitoring benches activities. Next one, please. So for the overhead cost base that we are concluding in electricity, this is only a recommendation based on our analysis of the each overhead cost. We can use production hours for electricity, for example, our number of chicken produced for LPG gas, or production volume for cleaning supplies and water, and machine usage hour for calculating equipment depreciation. Next, please. And in the result, we are concluding that to improve the costing system of Geprek Arsy, they should record all manufacturing costs and not only separating direct and indirect costs, but also calculating all of the indirect costs, all the overhead that is happening in the production process, and apply the departmentalization costing that we have already explained, and also prepare an overhead reports for each outlet so we can see the details of each usage of the budgeted amount for each outlets. And the conclusion will be presented by Rizky.
Okay. So for the conclusion is Geprek LC already has implemented basic cost accounting method, but still rely on simpler estimation. Several MOH or manufacture overhead costs remain unrecorded. So implementing accounting method will help financial management, profitability, and future business growth.